Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to online studies. Hopefully you all will be fine and enjoying sitting a lot at home. We are doing revision of unit number 5, environments and food chains. And in our previous lesson we have revised question number 3, 4 and 5 on page number 55. And today we will do question number 6 on page number 55 and question number 7 on page number 56. Let's start our today's lesson. Question number 6. Think about it. Air, water, food, minerals and sunlight. We need these to survive. First question is, which do you feel is the most important? Why? And the answer is air, water, food and sunlight. All are important for our survival. But the question is, which do you feel is the most important? I think air and water is the most important because without air we can't breathe and without water we cannot survive. Next, second question is, without water, what exactly would happen to humans, plants and animals? How long would they survive? And the answer is, without water, all humans, plants and animals cannot survive except few days and they would die. This is a creative question and you will have to answer it by yourself. Next, third question is, take away one thing at a time and ask the same questions, then decide which is more important. Now, it is a creative work. Pick up one thing at a time, for example, first air, then water, food, minerals, and at the last, sunlight. And describe which of these things are important for our survival and why. Now the last question is, discuss what you and others in class have written. Now at the last, match your answers with your friends' answers. Now question number 7 on page number 56. Answer these questions. First one, how many types or species of plants have scientists found? Question statement is, how many species of plants have been discovered by scientists? And the answer is, scientists have found over 3,80,000 different species of plants. It means scientists have identified approximately 3,80,000 species of plants. Next, second question is, what is meant by classification? Why do scientists classify things? Question statement is, what is the meaning of classification? And next question, what is the purpose of classification? And the answer is, classification means division of living things into different groups according to specific criteria. Scientists classify things because this makes the study of living things easier. Let's start the explanation. What is classification? Classification means sorting of living things into different groups, means division of living things into different groups according to specific criteria, and we divide living things according to where they live, or by their shape and behavior, or by what they eat. And what is the purpose of classification? Classification makes the study of living things easier because different living things are in different groups and we can study them easily.